This holiday season, go big to get the big Christmas reaction. You'll never forget the look on their face when you surprise them with the Big Hunk of Love Bear from Vermont Teddy Bear for a memory that will last forever. This is 4.5 feet of awesomeness. He's big, he's soft, and he's adorable. This bear brings the magic of Christmas to life. Go to VermontTeddyBear.com or call now to order your Big Hunk of Love Bear for a special limited time offer of only $99.99. These bears come in 3 giant sizes. Each and every one is stuffed with love right in Vermont, and it's guaranteed for life. You can even make the Big Hunk of Love Bear more special by adding a Santa hat, personalized scarf, or personalized paw. Order today and receive $25 worth of holiday cards from Shutterfly for free. Delivery by Christmas Day is still guaranteed, so click or call now.